So this is the importance of, in modern society, you are constantly getting hit with these other signals. And it's like, that's why when you connect to Earth, it can help you with that electromagnetic, non-native, like it's stuff we're producing in a non-native fashion that can be harmful for us. When you connect to the Earth, you stand on it, you get sunlight, you charge up your cells, you get infrared light to charge up your cell to help your blood flow. Like, and you drink water that's been charged with the energy of the sun and the land and all this stuff to help you protect yourself from these and stay with the rhythm of Earth. I'm going to keep repeating that. When we get into the rhythm and cycle of our mother, where we came from, it's like going back into the womb, like reconnecting that and just being like that energy is being like provided to us, and syncing up with mother's rhythm of sleeping when she sleeps, waking when she wakes, and matching up with our DNA, our biology, that we are daytime creatures. That's when we can start having that restorative sleep, right? This is why it's called Reconnect to Nature. We're getting back to our natural rhythms, getting back to who we are as humans. We are part of this earth. This is very powerful. So we have that. We're starting to get a little practicality here, like what's actually happening. So a big one is the melatonin. And before I went off and shared all that stuff, I was at melatonin, right? So the other thing I want to talk about is your cortisol levels. I mentioned it briefly that in the morning your cortisol rises naturally. Remember, your hormones, there is no bad hormone. They're all there to serve. Cortisol can get a bad rap, stress hormone. It's not bad. It's actually trying to help you. Okay? So cortisol rises in the morning naturally. Overnight, it starts to rise, and it gets to that threshold point that all of a sudden you wake up. You're like, oh, or you slowly wake up, right? So what's happening during the day that all of a sudden you may be waking up in the middle of the night? This is so common. A lot of people wake up in the middle of the night. This is another theory of mine, is that your cortisol rises too early in the middle of the night.